All right, good morning, guys. If this is your first time tuning in, my name is Jason, and welcome to part 2 of our South Florida fishing adventure. Now, I am here at my favorite fishing pier with my favorite fishing buddy, who you can see right there. And I am happy to report I already caught a fish, which you can see right here. Let's hope I turn this camera on before I even do my intro. We had some big schools of mullet here and some snook chasing them in the evening. Let's see if they're still here before the pier opens. John! Got a bluefish. First fish of Sunny Isles, he's going back. I was here yesterday. Now this is pretty cool. The mullet are in the surf here in South Florida, and I got some footage of mullet right in the corner as I was grabbing dinner. There were some snook feeding on them, which you can see right here. All right, guys, this is freaking awesome. Huge school of mullet. But anyway, guys, they're about to open up the pier gates at 7 a.m. We will be fishing hard today. Gonna catch something cool. Let's go. All right, could the wifey be hooked up? Can the wifey be hooked up? With maybe some shark bait for me. Get that shark bait. Get him in. Good. All right, we got fresh bait. We were able to net some live mullet. Let's go catch something good. It is dusk now. We're here by Hole Over Inlet. Got my little good luck charm with me. We have to make sure that she puts in the proper fishing effort the rest of this trip, because we got to get her set to catch something good here in Florida. Are you motivated to catch some fish, Marta? That means yes. No means yes, guys. All right, we're getting something tonight. Let's go. I can see you're getting a tan. Just trying a fresh chunk of mullet in the current here. Let's see if anybody's home. Look at this, guys. My buddy Fred is back. Here you go, Fred. Good shot! Marta! Oh, double header! Spanish mackerel! Woo! So Dawson, my question for you is, are you ready to get a big fish? Yeah! Okay. When you get a fish, you have to scream as loud as you can when I point you. Fish on! That's what he said. Fish on. See, I went to the bathroom, the kid gets a fish. That is amazing. Let's see where we go. Either Spanish or king. Fish, buddy. Nice. Oh, God. What's Blue Rock? That's a false number, right? Bonita. Alright, guys, you know fishing is cool when you use that's the bait, guys. Yep. Guys, the goal for Dawson here is to catch a fish bigger than him. And we have maternal instinct kicking in. Mom is helping the little guy just to make sure the fish doesn't take him in. Alright, guys, we have Luke hooked up in a fish that, okay, you look like a Luke. We have Dawson with Luke standing there, hooked up to a fish probably bigger than him. This is going to be awesome, guys. Oh, we got a barracuda. We got a barracuda. We got it. Don't worry about it. I'm taking pictures. Don't worry. guys, I am in battle mode here.
Open my chapter, come of age, stepped on stage, not ready to go yet, still feeling.
He's on it. He's on it. Right, we got it. We got it. We got it.
Nice, real. Nice fish. Real. You got it real. That's a big fish. That's an awesome fish right there.
All right, guys.
Going the other way. Real.
He's on.
Came off. Real.
Shit.
Want them to be proud, the whole world on my side.
All right, guys, we are strolling back to the dock. We have Dawson here, the champion, who gets the king out of Barracuda. Jake's got the left side of the boat. I got the right. Let's see who gets the king. All right, guys, we are saving the best for last. I am on a 6-hour fishing trip here, and Nick is laughing his tail off. We are on a 6-hour fishing trip here on the Kelly Fishing Fleet. Last day in Florida, last trip. Let's do.
I'll come back for you, help you to survive.
Hey, guys, you got a fish on already.
This is not the end. If I make it out and I'm still alive.
Happy. Ooh, that is. Snap. Hot fish. Nice. Oh, kid's finally on. All right, guys.
Let me know your color.
Oh, shit. Ah, shit. Guys, go the other way, guys. Go the other way. Okay. All right, guys. I am hooked into a big boy here. I got color. All right, thanks. Got two. I got two. Hit the bigger one.
Oh, yeah, you got camera.
Yep, get the bigger one. Just do your best. As long as we get one, I'm happy. That's 60 pounds on the bottom, so let's go. You get them both. You'll get them both. Get them! Yes! Woo! What species is that? All right, but they're edible, right? Yeah. Oh. Woo! It is a pandemonium here. This is why you take the Kelly fleet out. They always find some friggin' fish. Love these guys. Whole school's there. Look at that. All right, guys, I got yours right here, bud. All right, I'll throw mine in the box. All right, guys, here we go. Bucktail in the water. Here we go. Fish are right by the boat, guys. He's after it already. He's after it already. Here we go, guys. They're after it. They're after it. Come on, hit it. Got him! Fish on! Woo!
Who's up there? I got one right here.
Guys, it is friggin' the fish are all right here. I can't believe this.
Crazy! They're right there, right up the surface!
quick question. These are white meat?
Yeah.
Good, perfect.
Channel's gonna be popping tonight.
All right, here we go. He's on it. He's on it. He's on it.
Oh, here they are. Here they are.
Yep.
Here they are.
If they're not either, come on, come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. Got him! Fish on! There we go, baby! Woo! Nice, that's 4. 1 away from the limit. All right, guys, it is not stopping. One more, we're at our oh, that's mutton. That's a button. That's mutton. Hey, oh, that's a king. He got a king. Nice. A little bit of weight. Let's see. I do believe I got my first ever remora.
Oh, nice.
Just like fire, your voice can take me there. Just like you used to me, you are a mystery. Just like a dream, you know what you see. Just like a friend, oh, trust your voice can take me there.
This is what we call one awesome trip. Best trip I ever had in Florida. All right, guys, that's going to be about it for our trip in Florida. Had a blast in Key West, now having a blast here in Sunny Isles. Going to be flying home tomorrow, and all my attention will be hunting some spring bass in Jersey. So, and remember, every day's a blessing, and don't you ever forget to enjoy life.